morning everybody, my name is Priyanshi and today I am going to present my website in front of all of you. The niche was jewelry and the name was Gold Rush. My tagline was Shine in Victory. So let's start the video. And what is a website? A collection of multiple web pages assigned under a single domain is called as website. I have faced various problems while making my websites, and some of them was like it was risky to handle. Like content may get merged. Like if you are adding some type of videos or photos, in some cases the images will get mixed up if you will not take care of it. And there was some more difficulty in choosing a good theme, because a good theme will represent your website in a better way, in a visualization for the audience. The second was not used to CMS platforms. As I was not used to the CMS platform like WordPress, it was quite difficult. Like I was not known to some of the features in WordPress, like from where the function gets starts or how to handle various features in it. So that was some of the problems which I faced during that time. And why it is important to choose a good theme. So there are 3 points why you should choose a good theme for your website. First is elevating the appearance. As first of all in your website, the audience will see the theme. And if the audience will not see that the theme is quite attractive, they will not click on your website and they will not go further. Second was to maintain the relevancy. If my theme was of jewelry, so my niche was of jewelry, so I have to take care that the theme was regarded to the jewelry. It should be prompt and appropriate regarding to the jewelry, not to any other sort of themes. Third was building a brand. You should take care that the audience may create an image of your website, like they should think about your website when they search in any of the search engine. Like you have to create a brand in the mind of the customer. What makes a good website? There are some pointers which you can see which makes a good website. First is design must be easy and attractive. Your designs must be easy but also attractive to the customers, which can engage them. Second, apply engaging colors in the theme. As you can see, some of the websites are very dull and boring, so the customers or clients will not click and engage themselves into that website. So your colors should be in contrast or related to that. Third is use correct fonts. Font size and font numbers should be appropriate. There should be no unrelated spaces between the font sizes. Fourth is content should be sequenced properly. All this content should be sequenced properly one another so that it may look good and proper. Fifth is highlight important features of your website. You must highlight the important features in your brand or in your website which may look different from others. So this was all about my website. Now we will go on my website page. So this is the front page of my website. This is how my website looks. It is the front page and which shows the regional inspired jewelry. This was my key point, that I have taken some of the regional jewelries in my website, which was like these. First was the Royal Deccan one. Deccan means the South Indian jewelry. The South Indian tradition may represent here. Second was traditional Punjabi jewelry, which showcase the Punjabi jewelry. Third was elegant Maharashtrian jewelry, which showcase the Maharashtrian authentic look of the jewelry. Fourth one was magnificent Rajputani jewelry look, which showcase a royal and enriching look in the jewelry. Fifth was indeed Indian bride, and sixth was glorious Nawabi jewelry. This is the front page and the home page of my jewelry. There were some exclusive offers going in my website, like gold polki necklace, and this was the footer of my website. This is the about page of my website. As I launched Gold Rush to provide customers around the world with high quality jewelry that is cherished for life. This is a section for all the jewelries. You can take the view, and they have rings, earrings, bangles and gold pendants. They have shown the engagement ring section, various rings, the rose gold floral ring, basic and the classic gold ring collections. Then it is the earring section, which shows the ruby floral earrings, and various further earring sections. This is my bangle section. This is the gold pendant, basic gold pendant sections of my jewelry section, and this is the exclusive showstopper jewelry section for my pendant. And there are many more arrivals to come, like Deccan jewelry, Punjabi jewelry, etc., as I have told you earlier. And there are some more gemstone collections which are yet to come. This is the contact page of my jewelry. It looks like this, where you can add your email, your phone number, and various other things like your messages, which can directly reach to us. This is the last, my blog section, where you can read about the unique discovery of the gemstones, which is related to your birthstone, how gemstone jewelry is related to your birth dates, etc., which is very auspicious for people. Thank you everybody. So this was it for today, and I have taken various resolutions for making my website in a better form. Like I have taken care of the font size, the color contrast, and only some of the things I have taken which is specific. Not everything I have to take in my website, so it should be crisp and clear. Thank you.